Hey! Hello guys, I'm Eleftheria and in this video I'm going to show you a precise, advanced self-massage technique for the eyes, so be sure to stay with me until the end. So, the technique I'm going to show you today centers around the Orbicularis oculi. It's this oval muscle which is around the eye and the periorbital area. Actually, it's the only muscle in our body that controls and closes our eyelid. And guess what? This muscle is prone to screen stress and of course to wrinkles. It's this crow's feet here. So, in this video we're going to see a way to get rid of all this for good. So, this muscle is located in this area and it's an oval sphincter muscle, which means it's a round muscle. So, I'm going to start first with its upper part. I'm going to place, like anchoring this finger here, and I'm going to slightly slide the other finger. You don't need any lubricant for this. You just need clean hands and clean skin. And I'm doing this. I'm going to repeat it 5 times. That was second time. Press your fingers firmly as you do that. And one more time. It's like ironing the skin. Then I'm going to work on the fibers the opposite way. And again. Now, I'm going to work right on the eyebrow. And now, I'm going to work at the lower part of this Orbicularis oculi muscle. Just be sure to start working under the orbit. Again, it's 5 times. Okay, and then I'm going to work on this area. This area is especially prone to wrinkles. So this is what I'm going to do. It's very important not to use any lubricant for this. Again 5 times. And then I'm going to make a stretch here on this upper part of the muscle. I'm doing it with my index fingers. And I'm going to hold it for like 10 seconds. Just pull slightly your index fingers in order to do this light stretch. And I'm going to repeat the stretch at the lower part of the Orbicularis oculi muscle. Again for 10 seconds. Okay, cool. And now I'm going to start working right on the eyebrow. I'm pulling my fingers in opposite directions. And again, I'm going to work on this like 5 times. Then I'm going to work on my eyebrow on the opposite direction. Again 5 times. And now I'm going to work on the upper part of this muscle in that way. And repeat this. And I'm going to conclude my work with light tapping. This, of course, it should be done under the orbit. So that was it. I hope you liked the video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to check my books on Amazon. You will find me there as Eleftheria Manzoru. Be always healthy and happy.